I have right here a mini electric shaver from Kensen, so a small shaver that charges via USB-C. Let's take a closer look at the details on the box. This is the front. On the side we have the company name. Right here it says IPX6 waterproof, ergonomic and convenient, small and easy to carry, 4-layer blade and efficient shaving. And on the back we have the name, model and battery capacity. Charging time is about 90 minutes and usage time is about 120 minutes. Made of ABS, waterproof with an IPX6 rating and weighing only 155 grams. So let's unbox it and see what's included in the package. Here is a QR code for contacting customer service and accessing the instruction manual in several languages. The next item is this cloth. Here we have a standard USB-A to USB-C charging cable included, a handy little cleaning brush, and this mini shaver. And that's everything in the box. This is what the shaver looks like with the USB port on the bottom. As you can see, it's small and compact, and we can open it up like this. And right here is the sharp blade. And here you can take a much closer look at what the blade looks like. It looks quite advanced indeed. And here is a little button. Let's press it. And it works perfectly. Inside this protective cover we can see a built-in magnet, so we can easily close it and it stays securely in place. And it's also really simple and easy to open from the sides. We can clearly see the buttons here, and when we press them down we can remove this entire head to clean it or replace it with a new one. And right here we can see the powerful motor. And you can see how it's vibrating. So let's put it back and test to see if it works at all. Right now I have 1.5 days of facial hair, and I prepared a microscope to closely compare the before and after effects. So first let's take a close-up look at the before. So this is the before, and now let's try this mini shaver. It's actually quite easy and fast. And I've put a piece of paper underneath me to see how much of a mess I'll make. And you can see some hairs, but it's not a lot. But let's open it up and see how many hairs are inside. You can see it quite clearly. It stores the hairs inside. Only a little bit fell on the desk, the rest stayed inside the shaver. And now let's take a look at the after using the microscope. So you can see the difference. It works well. For such a small shaver, it's impressive. A really good feature is that it uses USB-C, not some custom charger like some other shavers. USB-C is much more practical for charging and really well thought out. This magnetic cover makes it easy for daily use, really smart and compact. So if you're looking for a small shaver that charges via USB-C, this Kensen electric shaver is an interesting option. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe and be nice.